Hey Luv Bugs, so in this video I am showing you how I wax my face. It sounds crazy and a lot of people don't wax their face, they shave their face. But in the video I tell you why I decided to do waxing over shaving. I was meant to upload this video on Sunday, but with Kobe's death I just felt like it wasn't the right time to upload a video on Sunday. And I really wasn't gonna upload none this week because I just felt like it ain't the time. But I watched a video. No, it wasn't a video. Yeah, it was a video. It was a video of TD Jakes. He was on The Breakfast Club and he was talking about, you know, grieve, allow time for, you know, sadness, but life still goes on. You still have to go to work, you still have to put out, you still have to be great. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and let me know if you're waxing your face this year. I mean, it's a game changer. Like, whoever started this, like with the waxing and with the shaving your face, you was on to something. You was on to something, sis. Bye guys. No, I've been trying to film this for like the past hour. Excuse, my hair is drying. But over the new year, I got a new baby. He just turned 4 months. He won't stop crying. This is what he want to do. So say hi, Axel. Just say hi. Say hi. While my hair is drying, I look a mess, but it's cool. I normally go to like a shop and get a full body wax, but I got this little wax kit off of Amazon because I was tired of spending like once a month. I was like, in a winter time it was once a month. Once a month it was for a full body like $210, $220 or something like that. And then in the summertime I was going twice a month, so that's $400. It comes with the wax warmer. It comes with 4 bags because I already used one. Like, I already put one in there. So it comes with 4 little bags of wax beads. It comes with the wax warmer protectors. It comes with like 5 of these or something like that, 5. And then it comes with a bag of wooden sticks. So after a while you kind of get used to like self-inflicted pain. You do. So happy new year while that is melting down. Happy new year. This is my first official video of 2020. While that's drying, I'm gonna go and do like the other side just to multitask, because if you just do one and wait for that side to dry, it could take forever and ain't nobody got time for that. I know. I'm so hairy. Yeah. Like, I don't think I could see that. Yes, I'm excited for like my 2020 goals because I just want to be like, I did a vision board as I do like every year, but I made 2. So I made one for like my YouTube, what I want to achieve in that, and then I made one for like my life and what I want to achieve like at my 9 to 5 as well. But yes, I want to be consistent and I just want to be like great, consistent. My cheeks are like so hairy. And I know like people be like, why won't you just shave? Shaving, I don't know, like I don't shave my body unless it is like last minute and I just don't want to deal with like going to a place to get waxed or waxing myself. So because it just don't last. Like it literally probably only lasts me for that day or like a couple of hours. McDonald's, what's up? Y'all, this one, it has like a few big dark gray hair, black hairs. And then like above my lip, there was some like hairs as well, but like they were black. I had a whole mustache, a whole beard. And so sometimes when you put the wax on your face and you rip it off, it does, and like some hair is left behind, it does thin the hair. So sometimes you do have to go back in with like tweezers. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so I am done waxing my face, and you can even, it looks smooth, it feels smooth. So then the next step, I am going to go in with my Black African soap, the real Black African soap. Vitamin E oil, and then some sunscreen, and that's all I do for my face.